Yes.
As it please the court, my lord, and thank you very much. We're indebted to the court for the indulgence, my lord. My lord, I took the liberty to go and buy these tools because I am a proponent of precision when it comes to science. And these are very precise.
Okay.
However, when I came back here, there was a suggestion that actually my colleagues met and tried to come up with a more feasible solution. Then and when I came back, they reported to me what is it that they've discussed on, and I think I'm also amenable to that suggestion, that we're going to request the Lieutenant Colonel to revisit his laboratory and go and prepare us a properly marked chart. In other words, he will mark on the left-hand side, which is the exhibit bullet, the scene bullet, marks which will correspond with the test bullets. In other words, if it marks maybe the first mark as A, he will state that that A in the exhibit bullet correspond with the A with a certain mark that will also mark A on the test bullet, my lord. That is how I understand the exercise. And then he's requesting that for that, not feasible for him, that we can adjourn and allow him to do that within 2 hours, my lord, because he needs to go and reopen his computer, go through the whole exercise again. So the brief and short of what I'm trying to put forward to the court, my lord, is that if the court is also amenable to that, we are going to request that we pause this, today's sitting up until Monday, my lord, just to enable that exercise to occur, my lord. Okay. Thank you, my lord.
Yes, Mr.
Yes. We confirm what Advocate Mnisi has just informed the court.
We are agreeable to that.
Yes, we will discuss that with the witness, and he will do that, my lord.
Mr. Colonel, are you amenable to that suggestion?
Yes, my lord, I'll try to do that today.
Tell me, where is Colonel Fesser?
Colonel Fesser has just retired.
Right. Is it possible, is Colonel Fesser and who else?
Captain Dini.
Captain Dini, where is he?
He's at the lab.
And the third gentleman? Breda, Van Breda, whatever.
It's a female, Captain
Viljoen. Viljoen. So it's Viljoen who's retired?
It's Fesser who retired.
Hello? Fesser
who retired.
Fesser, Viljoen, and
Ntini.
And the fourth one?
And Lieutenant Colonel Sereo.
Oh, he is obviously going to testify.
That's correct, my lord.
Yeah, I've listened to the evidence. Normally, my discretion should be used at the end of the cross-examination by yourselves. But because of the nature of the evidence which has been led here, ballistics, I intend calling the four persons who you say they assisted you. So they are all not retired except
Lieutenant Colonel Fesser.
Right. So after the cross-examination of all these witnesses, so this witness, for instance, instead of pausing the evidence of this witness and Colonel Genida comes, and then after Genida has testified, is taken, Serero comes, and after he has testified, Genida comes and testifies. Thereafter, you close your case, you say?
No, that's actually what we propose doing. Colonel Sereo's affidavit is actually already before court.
Right.
So we'll be calling him after Colonel Mangena, and we also looking to call those other witnesses.
Yeah, the court was going to call them in any case.
We just want their affidavits to be obtained first.
Right.
Consult with them and then possibly call them.
Yes, Mr. Mngomezulu, what's your view about calling the gentleman who assisted Colonel Manganye?
My Lord, I also agree with the court that the these witnesses may be called.
Okay.
Indeed, so, my lord, I do concur as well.
Mr. Mumalo?
I have no objection, thank you.
Mr. Mnisi?
Although I do not have an objection, my lord, if I were the state, I'll be very cautious, but I don't have an objection.
Okay, fine. So you want us to adjourn until Monday now?
As the court pleases.
As it is the court.
All right, Mandag then.